we introduce the Smart Safety Solutions MUSAGO. Vehicles and heavy machinery are essential equipment used in many construction and industrial sites, but they need to be managed thoroughly as they can lead to instant fatalities in the event of an accident. MUSAGO Tracker is a smart safety equipment that can be mounted on vehicles and heavy equipment. It can be used by connecting to a vehicle battery or easily installing in a cigarette lighter. Based on location information collected from GPS satellites, safety managers can check the location and safety status of heavy equipment deployed on site in real time. The arrival and departure history of equipment on site is automatically collected for efficient operation management, and if you set a safe speed on site, you can monitor vehicles that violate the speed limit in real time. With the geofence function, you can prevent vehicles from entering dangerous areas on site, prevent safety accidents, and manage the safety of workers smartly with MUSAGO solutions.